Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved with changing static content strings using the eCommerce admin. The localization page gives you the power to change any static content string. You can use the page to find all instances of static content string and change them to whatever you want. With this system, you can manage all of your translations easily and have your shop localized dynamically. Many of the content customizations you will be doing throughout your e-commerce shop will be modifying the static content to be what you want. Let's get started by logging in to the e-commerce admin. Click the Localization tab in the Content Management section to be taken to the localization page. Most of the content strings are already available, and you just need to search for either the string or the text value and then edit them. But some strings haven't been added to the system, or are new strings created by you when creating custom pages. Strings are defined in the HTML translate attribute, such as this. You can use the developer tools for your browser to find the string in the HTML code. For example, in Google Chrome, right-click the static text and select Inspect. To add strings to the system, click the Add New button. This opens the New String pop-up window. Click the Select Application drop-down and select Retail. Then enter the string name in the key field. In the text value field, enter the text that will display in the e-commerce shop. When complete, click the Save button. For changes to be visible, you'll need to click the Clear Cache button. If you happen to have an e-commerce shop page open for testing at the time the changes were made, and notice the changes haven't occurred immediately, simply refresh the page. As a note, some string changes can take a while to take effect. Clearing your browser cache can be effective, or you can check back later when the system's cache clears automatically. To begin changing static text for e-commerce strings, search for the string name or the text value you want to change in the search bar. The search results appear below the search bar. You can filter them based on type. In the search results, click the edit icon for the string you want to change. This opens the Edit String pop-up window. In the text value field, change the text to your preference. If you have other languages configured, enter the translations in the language text fields. When complete, click the Save button. Just as before, for changes to be visible in the eCommerce admin, you'll need to click the Clear Cache button. For the eCommerce shop, simply refresh the page. You now know how to change static content strings using the eCommerce admin, allowing you to change any static content string, managing all your translations easily, and have your shop localized dynamically. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.